For me, it was important to participate in today's panel because I think that the future is electric when it comes to cooking, and in particular, the future is electric for outdoor cooking.
Social cooking's fun. We all like to be outside. We all like to be together. And so it's fun to think that electrification is going to make it that much easier for all of us to be able to cook outdoors and spend more time outdoors.
I live in New York City, and the reason why I'm part of this conversation, I suppose, is because we are electrifying our outdoor kitchen. We are kind of reinventing what it looks like to be grilling in New York City, where you can't have gas outside anymore.
My point of view and perspective has completely transformed from when I first started. And the conversation about electrifying kitchens has become very normal and mainstream.
I think of when you're building an outdoor kitchen, have it work in conjunction with the indoor space, with the indoor kitchen, right? You don't want to duplicate everything indoors, outdoors.
We are evolved as humans to not want to just change very rapidly. We want to do what we know works. And so I think in many cases, it'll take a couple of early adapters to start making that change because they believe in it.
From my personal experience, yes, I do work for Kenyon, so I may be biased, but I am a true user. I have other options that I could use if I wanted to, and I still use my Kenyon almost daily.